Best blender. Looking for the right blender for smoothies, shakes, frozen drinks, or everyday food prep? Today, we're counting down 5 of the best blender options on our list, from number 5 all the way to number 1. We've included everything from compact personal blenders to powerful all-in-one kitchen systems, so there's something here for different needs and kitchen setups. So let's jump right in and see which blender takes the top spot. Number 5. Coming in at number 5 on our list is the NutriBullet MBR 1101 Personal Blender, a compact little machine designed for shakes, smoothies, sauces, dips, and everyday food prep. What makes this blender appealing is how simple it is to use. You load your ingredients into the cup, attach the blade, place it onto the motor base, and you're ready to blend. There aren't a bunch of complicated settings to figure out, which makes it especially convenient for quick morning smoothies or small kitchen jobs. Underneath, you're getting a 250-watt motor paired with a stainless steel crossblade. It's built more for personal-size blending and lighter food prep tasks than heavy-duty countertop blending. The 22-ounce capacity also makes sense if you usually prepare one serving at a time. Another big advantage is the compact design. At about 11.8 inches tall, it doesn't demand much counter space, so it can work well in apartments, dorm rooms, or smaller kitchens. The package also includes multiple cups, lids, lip rings, and a to-go lid, giving you several ways to prep, store, or take your drink with you. Cleanup is straightforward too, since the cups are top-rack dishwasher safe. Just keep in mind that with a 250-watt motor, this isn't meant to replace a powerful full-size blender for demanding recipes. But for quick smoothies, shakes, dips, and basic food prep, the NutriBullet looks like a practical and easy-to-use option. Pros: compact and easy to store. Simple operation with useful included accessories. Dishwasher-safe cups make cleanup easier. Cons: 250-watt motor is modest for demanding blending. 22-ounce size is mainly suited for personal servings. Plastic containers may not feel as premium as glass. Number 4. Coming in at number 4 on our list is the NutriBullet 600W Personal Blender, a compact option made for smoothies, shakes, frozen blends, and everyday food prep. The first thing that stands out here is the 600-watt motor. For a personal blender, that gives you a useful amount of power for blending ingredients like fruits, leafy greens, protein mixes, and other everyday smoothie combinations. You get a 24-ounce blending cup, so it's sized nicely for a single serving without taking up the space of a full-size blender. Using it is also refreshingly simple. There's no complicated control panel or long list of modes. You basically load the cup, attach the extractor blade, push, twist, and blend. That straightforward setup makes it especially convenient when you just want to make breakfast and get out the door. The package includes the motor base, extractor blade, 24-ounce cup, to-go lid, lip ring, and a recipe book. The to-go lid is especially useful if you like taking your smoothie with you instead of pouring it into another container. Cleanup is another strong point. The blade can be rinsed with soap and water, while the cup is designed to go on the top rack of the dishwasher. One limitation is that this model only has one speed, so you don't get much control over blending intensity. Still, for someone looking for a simple, powerful personal blender for everyday smoothies and shakes, the NutriBullet NBR 0601WM looks like a very solid choice. Pros: strong 600-watt motor for personal blending. Simple push and twist operation. Includes a convenient 24-ounce to-go cup. Cons: only one blending speed. Plastic cup may not appeal to everyone. Designed more for personal servings than large batches. Number 3. Coming in at number 3 on our list is the Hamilton Beach Power Elite Blender, a full-size countertop blender built for smoothies, shakes, frozen drinks, ice crushing, and everyday food prep. One of the biggest differences compared with smaller personal blenders is the 40-ounce glass jar. That extra capacity makes it much more practical when you're preparing multiple servings instead of blending one drink at a time. And because the container is glass, it also has a more substantial feel than a typical plastic blending cup. For power, Hamilton Beach gives this model 700 watts of peak blending power along with stainless steel ice saber blades. It also uses the brand's wave action system, which is designed to keep circulating ingredients toward the blades while blending. That can be especially useful when you're working with smoothies, frozen ingredients, or thicker mixtures. You also get 12 blending functions, including options for pureeing, chopping, and crushing ice, all managed through a simple 5-button control panel. So there's noticeably more flexibility here than you get from a basic single-speed personal blender. Another thoughtful detail is the built-in pouring spout, which can make serving directly from the jar a little cleaner. And when you're finished, the glass jar, lid, and removable blades are dishwasher safe. The trade-off is size. At nearly 15 inches tall and about 5.6 pounds, this takes up more counter space than a compact personal blender. Still, if you want more capacity, more blending options, and a glass jar, the Power Elite is a practical everyday choice. Pros: large 40-ounce glass blending jar. 12 functions provide plenty of versatility. Dishwasher-safe jar, lid, and removable blades. Cons: takes up more space than personal blenders. Heavier than compact single-serve models. 5-button interface is fairly basic. Number 2. Coming in at number 2 on our list is the Ninja Mega Kitchen System BL770, and this one is designed for people who want much more than a basic smoothie blender. At the center of the system is a powerful 1,500-watt motor base, giving it enough muscle for frozen fruit, ice, thick mixtures, and larger food prep jobs. The main 72-ounce pitcher uses Ninja's total crushing blade system, making it useful for big batches of smoothies, frozen drinks, and other blended recipes. Just keep in mind that the maximum liquid capacity is 64 ounces. But what really makes this system versatile is the included 8-cup food processor bowl. You can use it for chopping vegetables, pureeing ingredients, mixing, and even preparing dough. Ninja includes separate chopping and dough blades, and the dough setup is rated to mix up to 2 pounds of dough. 4 smaller servings. You also get 2 16-ounce Ninja cups with to-go lids, so you don't always have to use the full-size pitcher. Operation is straightforward, with dedicated functions for blend, mix, crush, and single-serve. Most removable components are also dishwasher-safe, which helps with cleanup. The main drawback is its size. At over 18 inches tall and around 9.2 pounds, it requires noticeably more counter and storage space than a personal blender. Still, if you want one machine that can handle smoothies, food processing, ice crushing, and dough preparation, the Ninja BL770 is a strong all-in-one kitchen option. Pros: powerful 1,500-watt motor for demanding tasks. Includes blender, food processor, and personal cups. Multiple blade systems for different kitchen jobs. Cons: large footprint takes up significant counter space. Heavier than basic countertop blenders. More components mean more parts to store and clean. Number 1. And taking the number 1 spot on our list is the Hamilton Beach Power Elite 58155, a full-size blender that combines everyday versatility with a more stylish kitchen makeover blue finish. This model is built around 700 watts of peak blending power and stainless steel ice saber blades. In everyday use, that setup is designed for smoothies, shakes, icy drinks, purees, and other basic kitchen prep without making the controls feel complicated. A big highlight is Hamilton Beach's wave action system. Instead of letting ingredients sit around the sides of the jar, the design continuously moves them back toward the blades. That can help create a more consistent blend, especially when you're working with fruit, ice, and thicker smoothie ingredients. You also get a 40-ounce glass jar, which gives this blender a more substantial feel and provides enough room for multiple servings. There are 12 blending functions, so you have more flexibility than you would with a simple 1-speed personal blender. Another small but useful touch is the built-in pour spout. It's designed to make serving cleaner and reduce drips around the counter. Cleanup is pretty straightforward too. The jar, lid, blades, and jar collar are removable and dishwasher safe. The downside is that the glass jar makes the blender heavier, and the 700-watt peak rating isn't aimed at competing with premium high-powered machines. But for smoothies, frozen drinks, and regular home blending, this is a practical choice with a nice balance of capacity, features, and simple operation. Pros: 40-ounce glass jar feels sturdy and practical. 12 blending functions add useful flexibility. Wave action system helps circulate ingredients. Cons: glass jar makes the blender heavier. Not as powerful as premium high-performance blenders. Requires more counter space than personal models.